Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Instagram link in bio affiliate strategy with Linktree, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Instagram account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. Tap on Edit Profile. In the website section, remove any existing links. Now, open a new tab and go to the Linktree website. Click on the Get Started for Free button. Sign up using your email address or link your social media account. After verifying your account, you'll be taken to your Linktree dashboard. Here, you can add new links by clicking the Add New Link button. Input your desired URL and give it a title that reflects the content. You can adjust the settings for each link, such as enabling analytics. Customize your Linktree appearance by selecting a theme or design. Once your links are set up, grab your unique Linktree URL. Return to your Instagram profile and paste the Linktree URL in the website section. Make sure to save your changes. Now, create engaging content on your Instagram posts to drive traffic to your link in bio. Encourage your followers to check out your Linktree for exclusive content or promotions. Monitor your Linktree analytics to see which links are performing best. Adjust your Instagram strategy based on the data you gather from your Linktree. Continue to update your Linktree with new links or content regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.